majored in English, minored in education, minored in math, and minored in history. I was ridiculously studious. I represented the college to a group called the National Federation of Catholic College Students. That had a deep impression on me. I was also one of the class presidents, and we were all women at that time, you know. I always felt that if there were men around, we couldn't have excelled the way we did. I had a wide variety of really great teachers. Sister Nona was known nationally as an early childhood educator. Oh, Sister Jonathan was very fun and taught English and writing. And I think it was just really high level of education. When you're out in the world and you see other people, you know, you can see the difference. You can feel it and know that we were well trained here. I was recruited to teach in the Riverside Unified School District right from here. I taught for 4 years. Then I started freelance writing, and I wrote for an ad agency for many years. And one of my clients was the district attorney, running for district attorney. So I did his campaign, and then he gave me a job in the DA's office, and that's how I got there. I think college years are special, and I liked it here, and I had good friends.
I know Barbara from high school, and then also attended Edgewood College together. Barbara's kind of a master of all trades. She's an incredible community activist.
Working in the community, I learned that at Edgewood High School. We were all involved in service as high school students. It was just kind of ingrained that you did things in the community because we had a lot, we had a lot going here. It's very beneficial to you personally. You know you're doing good things in the community and helping a lot. You learn as much and you gain as much as you give. Carve out the time and do it. It's worth it. The growth and what they're doing and the expansion is really impressive. The chapel was always special. It's beautiful and it's calm. People are intelligent here, and it's just a great place to be.